During this week, you'll be practicing the names of continents, countries, and nationalities. First, we're going to start with the names of continents and their corresponding adjective. So let's go with the first one. Africa, African. Asia, Asian. Australia, Australian. Europe, European. North America, North American. South America, South American. Let's repeat it once again. Africa, African. Asia, Asian. Australia, Australian. Europe, European. North America, North American. South America, South American. Well, and then let's study the names of countries and nationalities. These are just some of them. We have England, the nationality, English. Ireland, Irish. Spain, Spanish. Turkey, Turkish. Chile, Chilean. Germany, German. Mexico, Mexican. South Korea, South Korean. The United States, the USA, American. Let's continue. Brazil, Brazilian. Canada, Canadian. Iran, Iranian. Italy, Italian. Peru, Peruvian. Russia, Russian. And then finally, the last ones, China, Chinese. Japan, Japanese. Vietnam, Vietnamese. France, French. Thailand, Thai. Well, this is the pronunciation of just some countries and their corresponding nationality. And do not forget that you have to use capital letters for countries, continents, nationalities, and languages. For example, Japan, you have to write it with a capital letter. Japan with a lowercase letter is incorrect. Spanish, not Spanish with a lowercase letter, but with a capital letter. Well, so you have to practice pronunciation. That's it. Bye. Thanks for your attention.